Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a demo on deep dive analysis on movies and TV series data, which is developed by Power Platform COE team at LatentView. This Power BI dashboard is developed for producers and content creators of the media and entertainment industry to understand the performance of movies and TV series. It is intended to provide a drill down view of business trends to be consumed by media and entertainment business stakeholders, production houses, and distribution companies. Let's look into the dashboard. To start with, this particular movie and series info tab gives us information on movies and series based on different cohorts such as votes, ratings, and in which year they got released, genre, actor, actress, among many others. We can filter it to get the information accordingly. We can always hover over to get more information of that particular movie. And it is provided for both series and movies. And when we go to success metrics, we have the information categorized under genre and by decade and by the runtime also. We also have an exclusive tab for COVID impact where the votings and ratings are aggregated by each year, and we can see how the trend has been in the last few years, especially during the impact of COVID. And then I also have this top grossing movies information, and we also have this rating info, so we can clearly see the different movies based on the ratings as well as collection. That is there. And finally, we have a theme analysis where the themes of the different movies are obtained, and then we have tried to plot them against the rating and the revenue. And we have made four buckets similar to the Gartner's Magic Quadrant based on this rating and the revenue, and we can see how the different themes have emerged across the years across these four buckets. For more information, click onto this dashboard to get complete picture. And as I said, this is developed by the Power Platform COE team at LatentView as part of our solution development work. We have some of our other solutions also, and we'll be publishing more solutions too in the future. Thank you.